Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft XPS document writer not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So to resolve this problem, click on Start. Now here search Turn Features on or off. So type Turn Windows Features on or off and open it. Now in this list guys you have to find out this one Microsoft XPS document writer. So unselect this box, then click on OK. Now complete this process. Now once this complete, exit and restart your system. And after restart, again search here, turn Windows feature on or off. Now this time select Microsoft XPS document writer, then click on OK. Now once this complete, exit it and again restart your system. So this way guys you can fix and resolve Microsoft XPS document writer not working. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.